Hey, Naturally TC coming at you with my finger coil video as promised. First, what I do is, of course, detangle my client's hair. I am using KeraCare's line, natural hair line. This is their cream. It's like a defining cream, and you can use it for twist outs, but I'm actually going to use it in combination with their defining gel so that my client has a lot of moisture, as well as she has that hold that's going to hold her coils with the gel. So first I go through, of course, detangle the hair, apply the cream, and now I am working in sections. When you work in sections, it allows you to work faster, and it also allows you to work neater. So you always want to section off your client's hair, because when they have like big hair, it takes a long time if you're not working in a specific pattern. So I just showed you the gel that I'll be using on her coils, and I'm going to begin coiling as soon as I get set up here. So I always re-moisturize the client's hair. If you see that the hair is drying out, you don't want to apply any product to dry hair, because it usually will leave that, light film on the hair, and you don't want that, and your client doesn't want that. It's really bad when you've done a very nice hairstyle, but your client is left with little white flakes on their hair because the product wasn't moisturized enough or wet enough. So I actually use 2 fingers when I do my finger coils. And if you notice, like, I'm kind of holding the hair at the base so that it just neatly forms. It's kind of like, I wish I had a good example of what that is, but I'm just holding it at the base so that it's kind of uniform. It just makes it uniform. And you see, I use my finger, my fingernail kind of to make that part a little smaller, because you don't want your client to have big partings. So you make the part small and you take your time. And I get in a little closer so you can see it. And 2 fingers, twist, 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 twist. And see how my fingers are at the base? They're actually holding it so that it becomes really neat and uniform. And then you don't want to put too much tension on the client's hair. A lot of my natural clients tend to be tender-headed. Like, I always tell them, you cannot be natural and tender-headed. It just doesn't go together. Now I have completed her finger coils all over. As you can see, I kind of smoothed down her edges so they're nice and neat. The edges being smoothed down like creates a different look for your client. So those little finishing touches, they matter a lot. So I place her under a warm dryer for about 20 minutes. I don't do it on high because I don't want her hair just to be completely dried out. But if you put them under a medium dryer and it's just warm enough to go ahead and dry the hair but not necessarily soak up or dry up all your product, that's what you want. I am using cheese sprays. They have some shine spray that's really good. It smells great. It actually smells like men's cologne. It really smells really good. So her coils are completely dry, because you got to think all the time that it takes you to actually coil that hair, it is drying as you're doing it. So you don't really need to sit the client under the dryer for like 60 whole minutes. But just put them under a warm dryer for about 20 minutes and their coils should be dry if their hair is not super thick. She has a lot of hair, but it is fine hair, but she has a lot of it. So this is what my style ended up looking like. My client loved it. She looks lovely in it. It's a great alternative for your natural clients. So, you know, it's not always twist out. And you'll be surprised at what clients can actually get this style. You know, when their hair's dry, you're like, there's no way that you're getting those curls. But really give it a try with some of your clients, even those that with that 4C hair. You will be surprised how that hair will coil up. So, yep, that's what we have. So thank you for tuning in. And remember to like and subscribe. Share it with a friend. I'll continue to share all I know. Naturally TC.